Look at all the snow. It's our first snowfall, February 4th, 2012. What do you think? What do you think of all that snow? Where are you going? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Snow? Is Daddy getting supper ready? Toys? Are you pooping? Give me a high five. High five. High five. How old is Sadie? How old is Sadie? Are you one? How big is Sadie? So big. So big. Yeah, where's Sadie's nose? Yeah, close. Where's your tongue? Yeah, good job.